Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can archive WhatsApp chats. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to archive your chat in WhatsApp, all you need to do is simply tap open your WhatsApp, and once you open the app itself, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap hold the chats you want to archive. So you can even archive one and more chats in one sitting. However, if you want to archive one of this, then simply tap on the folder like icon and that particular chat will be archived. So once you tap on the archive section, you can find the chat that has been archived. So once you press hold on it, you can even unarchive that chat which you had previously archived. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.